Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Which chapter we were doing? Have we completed the previous one? मुझे ये बता देना. Okay.
No, ma'am. Some questions are left to 3.
Okay. Wait.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, let me see.
Ma'am, when we will do extra questions.
Just keep your mouth shut. Enough is enough. This we were doing, right?
Ma'am, I was telling you that one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
अच्छा, you are
Ma'am, I was
telling me
telling you.
कि मैंने क्वेश्चन. अच्छा, तुमने बताया. I thought that told me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, the above one. Ma'am, the above one.
Ma'am, we have to do question
That was
number
not
40.
able.
Question number
40.
4040. Okay. Yes, I remember
Yes, ma'am.
that we have to do
Ma'am,
question number 40.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please go up. Ma'am, 40 we are doing.
ठीक है दक्ष, ठीक है, सुन लिया ना. 4 बार रिपीट करना उसको जरूरी है. Okay, now listen here carefully. Wait a minute. पहले मैं ये waiting student these late comers ना, फिर अब इन्हें तो आधे घंटे तो इन्हें admit करना पड़ता है. They keep on admitting. Okay, now see here. Yes, we were doing this.
The number of O.
Now see here. Look here. Have you got the? Yes. Last time I think we have completed almost this question. FIOAJK dash MR.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, we have done, ma'am. We have done 41 also.
See here. Last time, as somebody told me, I think Ayushi told me the reason behind it. As you can see, this is the 6th number. Okay, and I is on the 9th number. 9 plus 6 is
15 minus
15.
6 is 9.
15. So you
15
will
minus 6 is
15.
9.
Okay. Then or you
Ma'am,
can
I have
say
found it now. already.
बेटा हमाद बोलने दोगे या तुम बोल लो प्लीज क्लास के लिए, तुम ही पढ़ा दो बेटा क्लास को. हाँ हमाद, why don't you teach the whole class again and again? We are speaking in between when I'm speaking. Utkarsh, open your camera. Athar Saxena, open your camera. Don't sit without a camera or else I'll remove you. Aditya Pathak, Yash Srivastav, Utkarsh, Sukh Sehaj, open your cameras quickly or I will remove you. I'm not saying unnecessarily. Utkarsh, अब तो मैं off कर, अब मैं सीधा class से बाहर करूँगी. If you're not going to switch on your camera. This A is number 1. A is number 1. Let's complete it quickly. बहुत हो गया ये अब. And J is 10. So it will be 11. K will be 11. Okay. ऐसे ही M is on the 13th number. M is on the 13th number. How much you will add so that you will get R? R is on 16 number. So what will be the answer here? How will you get 16 here?
3.
3. And third letter is what? Third letter is what? C.
C.
So which is the correct option? C.
Ma'am, third option, C.
Yes, C is the correct option. Everyone just check it. What is the reason behind it? Because we Athar Saxena, बेटा आपका कभी भी camera on नहीं होता है. Who is Athar Saxena? I even don't know. So what I will do, I will just
Ma'am, he
remove
replies
you.
in very less classes.
नहीं बेटा, best thing is to remove such students, those who are not switching on their cameras. That is the best possible way I can deal with them. Just throw them out of the meeting. That's it. That will be very helpful to me.
Okay, ma'am.
What okay, ma'am? Athar Saxena, open your camera.
Ma'am, Daksh, I am saying okay.
Okay, let us do the next question now. See the next question. Wait. Which of the following option will be the correct?
Ma'am, I got the answer. 41.
दक्ष तुम मुझे क्यों इतना इरिटेट करते हो बेटा कि मैं तुम्हें डांटने पे वो हो जाओ थोड़ा सा. You want me to scold you? You purposely want me to scold you? You want me to irritate you? You want yourself to irritate me? Okay, B, C, B, E, H. Anybody else who knows the answer, please raise your hand on your Sky.
Ma'am,
Open
I
your camera.
got the answer.
Sky, open your camera, or else I'll remove you. All those who are not switching on their cameras, either switch on your cameras or I will remove you now. It's your choice to switch on the camera or to remove you. Okay. And next time I'll not give the warning. मैं इसको remove कर दूँ. एक second. He is not listening. Athar Saxena. Let me remove him. He's
Ma'am,
not
can I tell the answer?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, C is the correct option.
Why? Reason.
Ma'am, because first, ma'am, first like there is ma'am.
Wait a second.
Alphabet.
Siddharth, are you going to switch on your camera या मैं आपको remove कर दूँ? आप दोनों में से एक option choose करके बता दो मुझे. Siddharth Pratap Singh, give me any one option. Are you going to switch on your camera or I'll remove you? Yes, now you speak.
Ma'am, answer is FMT because ma'am, first ma'am it's B, C, D, E, and ma'am then it will be F. Ma'am,
Okay,
after
as
that
you are
ma'am we
saying,
will
wait a
left
minute.
one
Let
and
me
count.
draw it, then you can say. B के बाद C आएगा, C के बाद D आएगा, D के बाद E आएगा, E के बाद it should be F. Okay, it should be F here. E के बाद why my mouse is not
Yes,
working.
ma'am.
This is you are saying? Here it will be
Yes,
F.
ma'am.
यहाँ पर F आएगा. Okay. So let me write F here. The first one B, C, D, E, F. Like it is working B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
what
in
is the second letter?
Ma'am, second letter is E. Then ma'am, in this ma'am we will left one letter and ma'am count the.
Okay, you will leave one letter in
another
between.
one.
Okay, as you were
Yes,
saying,
ma'am.
as per you're saying that E के बाद F आता है वो छोड़ देंगे. Then G के बाद H आता है we leave it. I के बाद J आता है we leave it. K के बाद L आता है we leave it. L के बाद क्या आता है M. Okay, F M. So in the options,
Yes.
which option is F M? So, the Daksh camera on कर लो.
C.
C1. Wait a minute. Just give me a
C1.
minute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, so C is the only one जिसमें FM आ रहा है. Okay, इसमें एक और क्वेश्चन है none of the above. उसकी वजह से जो ये none of the above दे रखा है उसकी वजह से we have to see the last one also. क्योंकि हो सकता है ये आंसर भी wrong हो. So M is the correct one. M तो आएगा here. You will get the answer here M. Okay, see the last letter. Last letter कैसे कर रहे हैं हम? We are leaving how many? Yash, tell.
Ma'am, 2 alphabet we are leaving.
Ma'am, 2.
Yash.
Ma'am, 2.
We are using H के बाद IJ we are leaving K के बाद LM we are leaving N, F के बाद OP we are leaving Q, Q के बाद RS we are leaving and it will be T. F M.
Ma'am, the answer is C option.
If the answer is C option, FMT is coming, then it is this one.
Yes,
Otherwise,
ma'am.
it will be none of the above. ठीक है? Okay, very good. All of you noted down?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Okay. Shall I remove it now? Shall I proceed to the next question? Athar, success तुम अंदर
ma'am.
कैसे आ गए? तुम्हें तभी मैंने remove किया था.
Excuse me, ma'am.
अब आकर
Ma'am,
देखो.
you removed
Ma'am,
me
वो
by
आपने मैम
mistake.
रिमूव
अच्छा,
किया था,
दक्ष-
remove नहीं हुआ था।
ओके दक्ष को रिमूव कर दिया था मैंने बाय मिस्टेकिंगली. वो अथर सक्सेना को रिमूव करना था बेटा, आप हो गए खोटे से. अब सिद्धार्थ को
अरे
एक और
मैं
रिमूव कर दूं
मैं-
मैं, बिकॉज सिद्धार्थ को भी कैमरा ऑन नहीं करना है ना, तो सिद्धार्थ को रिमूव कर दे रही हूँ मैं. Jasmine का there is some signal problem. Jasmine, you can switch off your camera. I give you permission, but except Jasmine, I'm not giving anyone's permission. Even. I can see she is all every time logging in, logging out. She is facing some problem. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. I hope everyone understood what is it. Okay,
Very easy.
very easy. अभी very easy तो तुम्हारे बताऊंगी ना मैं दक्ष. Easy वाले तो तुमसे पूछूंगी दक्ष मैं बता रही हूँ. The way you disturb in class again and again ना, when one is speaking, you speak in between. Then see what I will do. मैं पूछूंगी easy वाले तुमसे. Okay, see this one 4, 16, 13, 55, 20, 46. Okay, raise your hand for this answer. Who knows the answer? Who knows the reason, not the answer? I want to still know the reason. Who know the reason? Raise your hands. Okay, Ayushi know the reason. Then who else? Nobody else knows the reason. What about Ishu? Sky don't know the reason. Yash. दक्ष को तो सब आता है, दक्ष को तो पूछना बेकार है.
Ma'am, it is increasing and decreasing rapidly.
Okay, Ayushi, please tell the reason, beta.
Ma'am, also will be 31 because ma'am to 4 to 13 we are adding 9.
Okay.
Then 64 to 55 we are subtracting 9.
कहाँ से कहाँ तक? Wait. क्या बोला फिर से बोला आयुषी?
Ma'am, 64 to 55 we are subtracting 9.
Okay, from here to here you are adding 9 and from here to here you are subtracting 9, right? ये हो गया +9 और ये हो गया -9. फिर इसके बाद 13 plus 9. Is it 22? 13 plus 9 is 22. Yes or no? See?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And 55 minus 9 is 46. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it so? Just check it.
Yes.
Ab now check 22 minus 9. Check 22 minus 9 what it will be there. Oh sorry, plus 9. 22 plus 9. नीचे वाला हम प्लस कर रहे हैं, ऊपर वाला माइनस कर रहे हैं. So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, D is the correct answer. 31.
D1.
31.
31 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, now select the figure from which options will continue in the same series established by the problem figure. First, see the letters. First, check the letters. What is the difference coming in the letters? सबसे तो important letters ही है.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, in this, ma'am, first, ma'am, one letter, then, ma'am, we will minus one letter and count, ma'am, one letter, and then minus two letter and then count one letter.
Okay. You are
Then, ma'am,
subtracting
means
one letter.
consecutively minus.
That means you are
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
that you are subtracting one
Then, ma'am,
letter
3.
from each. Okay, wait a minute.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, we are increasing the
Issue,
number of letters.
कैमरा क्यों ऑफ हो गया बेटा? कैमरा क्यों ऑफ हो जाता है? इशू.
Ma'am, we are increasing the
Ma'am,
number
my
of
camera
letters
is
in
on.
between.
Daksh, your camera. Why your camera is off, Daksh?
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Ma'am,
Now
can
it is
I
on?
tell?
Okay.
Ma'am,
As
can I
he
tell?
says, wait, listen. As he says, look here. EF. E के बाद the next number is EF. F आता है. F के बाद if you minus 1. F के
Ma'am,
बाद.
I know the answer.
Daksh, please stop saying that I know the answer. बेटा मैं permanent mute कर दूंगी तुमको. कोई बीच में बोलता है बेटा. दक्ष manners नहीं है, ये बताओ. Tell me. Don't you have manners that when one is speaking, even if I am speaking, you should not speak in between? I know the answer. I know the answer. What is this when somebody is speaking? What is this way? Behave yourself. You know the answer. Let others also give some chance. And even when I'm speaking, when I'm बेटा यहाँ सबको सब कुछ नहीं आता है. किसी को कुछ नहीं आता, उसे मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ता है. आप भी बता दोगे तो भी वो नहीं समझ पाएंगे. This is the need of teacher, that somebody is not able to understand so that I may be able to understand them. There are so many sitting, they are not able to understand. So I have to tell them. So let me tell them for those. Okay, Siddharth, all right. Got your problem.
Ma'am, can I close my camera for 2 minutes?
Why? Sky, open your camera. H के बाद you will write I and J, leave here. You will leave I and J here. I और J छोड़ोगे. Then it is K. Now you will leave how many letters? Tell me. Yes, everyone.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
3.
3. What are those 3?
3.
What are
O is
those
the
three?
answer.
M O.
L, M, N.
L,
Ma'am, L, M, N.
L, M, N. Okay, very good.
here, ma'am, 2 times O, ma'am.
L, M, N. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? O आएगा. Okay, you are sure
O.
here that air will. तो बेटा इसमें से which options are not correct? Just cross them out. Don't do that. Don't see through
Ma'am,
these
I
options.
got
This
the
one also
answer.
and this one also. Okay. Now see, here it will be at the rate sign. Now see at the rate sign, how is it moving? Is it moving? How is it moving at the rate sign? Tell me. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Or leaving some gap? How is it moving?
Anti-clockwise.
Ma'am,
It is moving
anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise. So if
Ma'am,
it is here now in the fourth one, if you will see, in the fourth one, if you will see here, ये जो fourth वाला है, तो अब इसके बाद यहाँ पर कहाँ आएगा? It this place. So at the rate should be at this place. ठीक है. अच्छा बेटा ये चेक करो कि A और D में, A और C में डिफरेंस किस में है? At the rate वाला जो ये कॉर्नर में आएगा, this is A option is the correct.
Yes, ma'am.
A option is the correct. Okay, at the rate sign will come here. तो आपको बाकी देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि किसी और ऑप्शन में at the rate यहाँ पर नहीं है. So option A is the correct one. So you save your time. Don't see other answers. मतलब hashtag भी मत चेक करना, copyright भी मत चेक करना, उसको कोई नीड नहीं है चेक करने की. If you get the answer, then do it here. क्योंकि ये वाला भी नहीं होगा. अथर्व सक्सेना को बेटा क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या इशू है? Why didn't he open his camera? Is there any issue with Athar Saxena?
नहीं मैम, वो क्लासेस मैम लेता है.
What?
मैम वो क्लासेस लेता है मैम, पर बिल्कुल मैम कुछ नहीं बोलता. और जैसे ही मैम सर कुछ पूछते हैं टीचर, तो फिर सर मैम वो लीव कर देता है या तो उसमें रहता है और बोलता नहीं है कुछ.
अच्छा, so did he never open his camera?
मैम इनने मैम कल करा. मैम ये क्लास सी
some classes मैम.
In some classes he opens his camera. Okay. Nobody.
Yes, ma'am.
GK.
There is no network issue from his side. Athar Saxena, who are you? Please show me your face. I want to see who is Athar Saxena.
Ma'am, he is open the camera.
Athar Saxena, beta open your mic. Open your mic for a minute. बेटा आप बोलते क्यों नहीं हो? कैमरा क्यों ऑफ रखते हो? हाँ, किससे डर लगता है? Your voice is not coming, beta. I think you are connected to the earphones. Are you connected to the earphones? Just switch off your plug off your earphones. Plug off your earphones, then you will be able to listen to me. You will be able. I will be able to hear you. Now it is. Now I am getting your voice. Yes, beta. Yes, tell me. Okay, let me also open my camera for you. Okay, tell me why do you switch off your camera every time?
Ma'am, due to network problem, that's why.
No, there is no network problem. I can see right now you are speaking very well and I am getting your voice properly. Network problem तो मैं समझ जाती हूँ बेटा. मुझे यहाँ से I am the host here. I can see who is facing the network problem. अगर आपको network problem होती ना तो आप join करने में 2-3 minutes लगाते. आपकी joining 2-3 minutes में होती. But as soon as I put you in waiting room, you get into it inside the meeting. That means your network are good.
No, ma'am, I have left.
के नीचे कहीं मैम.
Then I'll join.
No beta, you didn't left the meeting. I just entered you. मैंने आपको remove किया था class से. आपको पता है? Because you were not switching off the camera. I removed you from the class. So beta, why don't you try to answer the teachers? What is the big problem? When teachers ask you something,
No, ma'am.
I heard it from your classmates that you know don't answer the teachers. First of all, बेटा एक मैं आपको बात बता रही हूँ, आपके earphones properly connect नहीं हो सकता. Maybe from your side you are answering teachers, but they are not getting your voice because your earphones are not connected properly. वो जब आप properly connect करते हो उसका कुछ
Sometimes
settings.
the voice gone, sometimes not.
हाँ, वो आपके earphones की वजह से problem हो रही है. आप earphones या तो wire वाले use करो या Bluetooth earphones you were using, right?
No, ma'am, it's wire.
Wire one, okay. So उसी से कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आप सेटिंग चेंज नहीं कर रहे हो उसकी, ठीक है?
Ma'am, I give the answer, but voice not go
Yes,
to teacher.
this is what I'm saying. यही तो मैं भी बोल रही हूँ कि तुम्हारे वो जो है earphones में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. सेटिंग्स आप चेंज करो
Yes,
थोड़ी
ma'am.
सी, नेक्स्ट टाइम चेंज करना and be attentive in class and speak something in class, okay?
Ma'am, I speak the answer, but voice not go to
Okay,
teacher.
Vita, it's okay. Tell the teachers also that your voice is not audible to you just because of some issues of this earphone. So check the
Okay,
settings
ma'am.
once again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, beta.
Ma'am, I
Just
will
keep your
change it.
camera on at least. If the teachers are asking you
Okay,
to
ma'am,
switch
the
your camera, you
camera
should
will
keep
be-
your camera on. Okay? Now see, let's see this question and please do answer these reasoning questions as well. Okay? Chalo. Who knows the answer of this one? Raise your hands. Daksh, I know the answer, mat bolna. I know the answer मत बोलना दक्ष. Who knows the answer? Just please raise your hand. Okay, Ayushi. Except Ayushi. ईशु क्या बात है? कैमरा कैसे ऑफ हो गया ईशु?
मैम माय
Just
कैमरा इज ऑन।
बाद में बंद हो जाता है फिर ऑफ हो जाता है. पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है तुम्हारे कैमरा में. चलो.
मैम नेटवर्क।
नेटवर्क सबका नेटवर्क ही है?
तो मैम
नेटवर्क.
इन बिटवीन आई डिस्कनेक्टेड।
हाँ, who knows the answer? Utkarsh, do you know this answer except Ayushi? Anybody knows the answer? Utkarsh, try it. Try this one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
this one,
Sky.
ma'am.
Okay, Sky, tell.
Ma'am, it is ma'am pattern, ma'am.
Okay, it is one pattern. Obviously, there will be
Ma'am,
one
1,
pattern.
2, 3, 4, ma'am. Clockwise,
Okay.
ma'am. 7, 8,
चलो
9,
ठीक है.
10
1, 2, 3, 4, 5
13,
clockwise.
14, 15.
Okay, okay, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4 clockwise. 7, 8, 9, 10 clockwise. 13, 14, 15, 16 is clockwise. Okay. Then what about this number? 30. Aditya, you want to say something? Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, when we will plus 1, 2, 3, 4, and ma'am we will multiply it by 3, ma'am answer will come 30.
Okay. 1 plus 2,
And-
3. 3, 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10, 3 is a 30. Okay. Then next one.
Ma'am, in this also, ma'am, we will plus all the numbers and ma'am answer will be. And we
Okay.
will
7
multiply
plus
by
8, 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 10 is 34. 34 3s are. 34 3s is 102. Okay. Very good. Now we will add 13, 14, 15 and 16. Add them. 13 and 14 is how much? Aditya?
मैम 27।
27.
Ma'am,
And 15 and 16,
27.
31. 27 plus 31 is how much?
58.
Huh? 58? Okay.
मैम 50।
58. Now multiply 58 by 3. What's the answer
174.
coming? अब बेटा पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करने की नीड नहीं है.
174.
58 3 से कितना आ रहा है? 24. 4 आता है ना लास्ट डिजिट, तो पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करने की नीड नहीं है. यूज द शॉर्टकट.
174
किसमें आ रहा है
is the
लास्ट में? 74 वाले.
174 is the answer.
174 is the
Yes, 74 is the answer.
174
Use the
is the
shortcut method. Okay, use the shortcut method. Okay, let's do the next question. Find a missing number if the certain rule is followed over here. Wait. Yeah, if a certain rule is followed over here, how will you just see what is the rule followed? Give me 2 minutes. Let me make a link.
Ma'am, here is 1, 2, and ma'am, then 3 here and 4 here.
Wait a minute.
And ma'am, 4 here, ma'am.
This period is 5th period now. Next will be 6th.
Yes, ma'am.
6th, 4th, maths. Okay. This period start at 11:40, 10:40. Okay, 10:40. 10:40, 20, and 30, 11, 10. Okay. Yes, fine. Yes, somebody was saying the answer. Somebody, Ayushi
Ma'am,
knows all the
I'm
answers.
saying-
हाँ,
Here
Ayushi.
is a ma'am 4 blocks, ma'am.
हाँ, क्या
Pattern,
क्या?
ma'am, 1, 2. Ma'am, I'm saying that, ma'am, in first 4 blocks there is a pattern, ma'am. 1, ma'am, 1.
Okay.
Ma'am, upper 2, down 3, ma'am, and upper 4, ma'am. And ma'am, at the place, ma'am, if we will write here 5, so ma'am, and at the place of 0, ma'am, there will be 6, ma'am. That's pattern, ma'am, I'm thinking.
Okay, yeah.
I know the answer.
Okay, Ayushi, now you tell. Ayushi,
Ma'am, but pattern
Ayushi.
is, ma'am, this only, ma'am.
बहुत इजी पैटर्न बन रहा है. मुझे तो 4 और 0, 4, 3 देखकर ही समझ आ गया. 49 देख करके.
Sir, ma'am,
Yes, Ayushi. Siddharth, I'll give you a chance.
Ma'am.
Next one.
Ma'am, when we will add 2, 1 and 3, it
Yes.
will be 6, and 6 into 6 is 36.
Very good.
Then 4 plus 4, 3, and we will add 4, 3 and 2, it will be 9. 9,
Yes.
9 is 81.
Very
Then
good.
4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 is 49.
Very good. As you can see, मुझे मैंने क्या बोला? 0, 4, 3 देखते ही समझ आ गया मुझे. तो 0 plus 4, 0, 4, 3 का सम 7 आ रहा है और 7 का स्क्वायर होता है 49. ठीक है. Similarly 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 का square होता है 36. You know what about squares? You know about squares, I suppose, in maths.
Yes, ma'am. I not
Yes,
study, but I
ma'am.
remember.
Okay. 4, 3, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Square of
And the
9 is
power of
81.
that.
Square of 9 is 81. So answer will be what? 81. Very good, Ayushi. It's very easy one. 81. So what is the rule you are following? Adding these three. Let me write the rule here. You are adding these three and squaring the number. Or you can say multiplying the same number. Suppose 6 multiply square you have.
Ma'am, we have done the chapter.
Okay, now let's start the next one. Oh, this is done.
Ma'am, we have done the first chapter.
Oh my god, wow, very good. Now which is the next chapter? We have finished this chapter. Now which is the next chapter?
Analogy and classification.
Okay, I have the PDF,
Analogy
but
and
starting
classification.
PDF somebody can send me. If right now somebody can send me the starting of the PDF.
Yes, ma'am. I will send.
Jaldi se, quickly.
Ma'am, can I send?
Already बेटा मेरे पास already reasoning के इस वाली analogy के 4 question number 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 भेज दो. 4 से मेरे पास है. Starting एक questions मुझे send कर दो. Otherwise I have the some PDF. Analogy की मेरे पास पूरी PDF है. And please do tell me where are you sharing. Eleven, 10, 4, 3. All right, somebody sent me 7th A. दक्ष बेटा नेक्स्ट क्लास की प्रेजेंट बाद में लगा देना. अभी मेरे क्लास का काम कर लो.
मैम मैंने भेज दी.
हाँ, I got it. दक्ष, Sky speak in English, okay? Okay, I got it.
Ma'am, I am present as ma'am. When I
Eh?
am half present, so ma'am the time is late and then I'm not interview.
Let me download it in this laptop.
Ma'am, this chapter I not do.
Analogy. Acha beta, what is analogy? Do you know that? Okay, by the time you see the video, by the time I'm showing you the laptop, let me show you the analogies video. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, analogy.
हाँ, क्या होती है बताओ?
Ma'am, analogy is a ma'am relationship is followed between the two pairs of letter numbers. For
Ma'am, it is a
example,
book.
ma'am,
Ma'am, it is a book.
120:12.
बेटा numbers में नहीं, pairing of the things. How one thing is related to the other thing. That is known as analogy. Let me show you the video. By the time.
It is a book.
Hair salon.
What?
Ma'am, it is a book definition.
Ma'am, hair and
अच्छा, ये जो दक्ष ने बताई अभी मुझे, ये बुक्स की डेफिनेशन थी. हाँ दक्ष.
मैम ये देखिए मैम दिखा रहा हूँ मैं आपको.
नहीं नहीं, not needed. It's not needed. I know. ये बुक्स डेफिनेशन होगी. क्यों दक्ष? बुक से देख लिया? Okay, let me download the PDF. Then I'll start the analogy. बेटा classification. I
ma'am,
got
I cannot mean by classification.
7th please. Okay. चलो हो गया. Yes, analogy means how do we pair up the things. ठीक है? How if one thing is related to another in same way, how the second thing is related. Right? Ratio and
Ma'am, can I
proportion.
tell one example?
Daksh, why don't you teach the whole class? Why don't you teach the whole class instead of let me make you the host and you teach the whole class? And everyone in the class, open your cameras. Sky, Yash, Utkarsh, Athar, Saxena, again your camera becomes off. Sutsehaj. Okay, now listen. Analogy is how do we pair up the things. अभी मैं video दिखा देती हूँ आपको एक. चलो वीडियो नहीं दिखाती हूँ, मेरी ही वीडियो है, मैं आपको दी समझा दे रही हूँ कि कैसे होगा. Like how do we like ratio and proportion? Have you read about ratio and proportion in maths? It's like in the same way. If one thing is related to the other, how the next thing is related? Suppose if I give you, और हाँ ऑप्शन काफी मिलते जुलते आते हैं, हो सकता है आपकी
Yes,
बुक में
ma'am.
नहीं ऐसा हो, बट ऑप्शंस काफी मिलते जुलते देते हैं एंड यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज कि इसका आंसर क्या होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन गिव यू two types of question. If I say dog is to bark, then I'll give you the proportion cat is to what? If dog is to bark, then
Meow.
cat is to what? Now what options
Meow.
I will give you? Sky, please switch off your mic. Okay, dog is to bark, cat is to what? So I can give you options like kitten, animal, pet, meow, and
C लगा दो.
Ma'am, A option is the correct.
Ma'am, C option is the correct.
Ma'am,
meow.
A
Ma'am,
option
C
is the
लगा
correct.
दो. C लगा दो.
Okay, now if these three are there, all are related to
Ma'am,
cat.
C.
Beta, let
Ma'am,
me
C.
speak. Let me speak. All are related to cat. All are related to cat. Yes, cat is a kitten also. Cat, the baby of a cat is a kitten also. Cat is a pet also. Cat do meow also.
Meow.
But you will get confused here. What is the confusion? आपको ये कैसे related है इससे? ये कैसे इससे related है? वैसे
it is
ही
a sound
इसको
है,
भी
ma'am.
इससे relate करना है. Dog का bark क्यों है? Dog का bark क्यों है?
Ma'am, because ma'am he barks, ma'am. When
It is the sound of a dog. So इसमें आपको cat का baby नहीं लिखना है. Cat का आपको वो नहीं लिखना है. Which type of animal is it? So here also you have to find out the sound of a cat. This is the sound of a cat. So meow is the sound of a cat. एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, इसका आप बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूज हो सकते हो इसमें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
Excuse me, ma'am.
अगर मैं डॉग का पप देती तब आप कैट का किटन लिखते. ठीक है, डॉग इज टू पप, देन यू हैव. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन मैं देती हूँ जिसमें आप बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हो. ब्लैक इज टू, वेट नॉट ब्लैक इज टू, डे इज टू नाइट. Then what is black? देखो इधर, black color.
Ma'am, I know.
फिर बोले I know. I hate this word. I know. बीच में बोल दे तो I know. What is this I know?
ma'am हमार नसीब.
Here. White. See, most of you get confused here. Black is a color. तो आप क्या करोगे? ब्लैक कलर पे मेंशन कर दिया, टिक कर दिया. बेटा आपने क्या करते हो? यू डोंट सी द फर्स्ट वन. ब्लैक से रिलेटेड ये सब चीजें हैं. ब्लैक इज कलर आल्सो. ब्लैक इज
Ma'am, in the
hairs are
science,
also
I know.
black. White is also white. Opposite of white is black. And ग्रे का एक शेड होता है ब्लैक. ठीक है, तो आप इसमें सबसे पहले ये देखोगे कि how day and night related to each other. How day and night related to each other?
Opposite,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
is the opposite.
They are opposite of each other. They both are opposite of each other.
So ma'am, black and
का
white.
opposite you have to write. The opposite of black. What is the opposite of
White.
black?
White.
White.
White is the answer.
This is the
White.
difference. Understood?
Ma'am,
This
can
is
I
the
give an
difference.
example?
Yes, give.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, water is to ice.
Some
Water
are easy and some are some difficult.
Water is to ice.
cold में
Yes.
water is to ice, ma'am, and ma'am, milk is to milk.
What?
Milk is to question mark.
हाँ, तो options में क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, option curd, first curd. Ma'am, can I tell? First curd.
Curd. Okay, very good. Then
Second will be milk. Sorry, ma'am, milk is there.
milk is
only.
already there. Yes.
Ma'am, ghee.
Ghee. Okay, चलो. Ghee.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
इसका आंसर क्या होगा ये बताओ.
Butter.
Ma'am, curd.
Ma'am, curd होगा वैसे तो ma'am.
Curd would be the answer?
बेटा इसका एक आना चाहिए आइसक्रीम.
Ma'am, ice cream.
Just because when we freeze it, when we
Yes,
freeze
ma'am,
water,
it's ice.
because when we freeze water, we get ice, and when we will freeze milk, we will get ice. ठीक है, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can say,
Ma'am, I want to
water से
give one
ice बनता है,
example.
but अगर हाँ घी, these all are prepared from this milk only. So हाँ, अगर आपका कर्ड नहीं होगा तो फिर घी नहीं होगा साथ में option. 2 options will not be correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, I want to give one more example.
जल्दी से बोलो.
Ma'am, office workers.
ऑफिस वर्कर बताओ जल्दी से. Is to what?
Ma'am, and school.
Office worker or either school?
Ma'am,
Office is
school
one.
and
Okay.
मैम ये पिछली
Office
क्लास
is to
का बता रहा
worker.
है. School students.
Ma'am, school and the option ma'am given ma'am is ma'am first ma'am teachers.
Teachers, very good. ये बहुत अच्छा question है. हाँ, students.
Ma'am, we
ये पिछली
ma'am
क्लास
students
Okay, very
में
good.
दिया था.
and ma'am C option ma'am driver.
C option is
Ma'am, please give ma'am 2 options. Ma'am, I know 2 options.
अच्छा. You know teachers, students. Okay, I am giving class,
मैम students only.
and we can give
Furniture.
मैम क्योंकि students नहीं होंगे तो मैम पढ़ाएंगे किसको?
or is books. You can write books. So office में
exam
बेटा इसमें जो
students.
options हैं teachers या students में से which one will be the correct one?
Students मैम
Teacher.
Ma'am, because without
Teachers. Beta here
teachers.
teachers will be here correct.
Ma'am, teachers.
Yes, ma'am.
Because workers
No,
work
ma'am,
in
what you
office
just said,
and
ma'am,
teachers
here is the
work in
students, ma'am.
school, not the students
Yes.
work in school. हाँ, अगर दोनों में से अगर स्टूडेंट अगर टीचर्स नहीं होता तो सेकंड ऑप्शन होता आपका स्टूडेंट. अगर टीचर
Yes,
ऑप्शन नहीं होता तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होता स्टूडेंट. इफ
Then
टीचर्स
ma'am.
ऑफिस में वर्कर्स डू द वर्क and स्कूल में टीचर्स डू द वर्क like that. Okay. This is the way things how things are, and classification is very simple. It is odd one out. Classification is odd one out. Simple. जो भी pick the odd one out. Something which is not suitable, that is known as classification of that. Classification मतलब उसको अलग कर दें. Classify means एक ग्रुप बनाना. ठीक है. यहाँ दक्ष है.
Ma'am, please make me captain.
नहीं, मैं तो ऐसे ही लिखूंगी. यहाँ दक्ष है, यहाँ सिद्धार्थ है, और कौन है? हम्माद है,
Ma'am, issue Gautam.
और एक स्काई है.
Hi, Sharma मैम.
स्काई शर्मा.
Ma'am, please give ma'am issue
अब
also.
रुको, नहीं इशू नहीं बोलता है. ठीक है. ये 3-4 स्टूडेंट्स का नेम है. 4 स्टूडेंट्स का नेम है ये. अब मैंने कहा क्लासिफाई करो. अब इन तीनों ने तो ग्रुप बना दिया. क्योंकि ये लोग बहुत बोलते हैं.
Ma'am.
ये लोग बहुत बोलते हैं. और सिद्धार्थ जो नहीं बोलता है, ही इज ऑड वन आउट. उसको अलग कर दिया, क्लासिफाई कर दिया. क्लासिफाई मींस ग्रुपिज्म. तो इन तीनों ने तो ग्रुप बना लिया. सिद्धार्थ को बेचारे को अकेला छोड़ दिया है. ठीक है दक्ष.
पर मैम मैं
No, ma'am, I will make him. Ma'am, I will also ma'am.
ठीक है. सो दिस इज
And we
हैपनिंग.
will make him our group leader.
किस ग्रुप लीडर
And
बनाने
ma'am,
की
I am
जरूरत
the captain.
है? वो तो मैं कैप्टन हूँ तुम्हारी. बहुत अच्छे से. कैप्टन
Yes,
तो मैं
ma'am.
बेटा तुम्हारी. कैप्टन तुम नहीं बन सकते. चलो
Ma'am,
लेट्स
GK class I make the captain.
कर्मचारी का हमारा
Okay, now see here. Analogy ना. हाँ. Yes.
Ma'am, you
See
mistakenly
here.
close the camera.
Yes, look here. This is the question. Choose a figure which is so यही बता रखा है कि analogy क्या होती है, classification क्या होती है. Let's start from the exercise itself. Okay, they are based on the alphabet test series. ठीक है. These questions are based on the alphabet series. तो बेटा ये अल्फाबेट सीरीज इसमें आपको दी हुई है. कंपलसरी नहीं है कि आपको बना कर देंगे ये अल्फाबेट सीरीज आपको नहीं दी जाती है. ठीक है. डोंट थिंक कि आपको दी जाएगी ये ABCDEF जो लिखी हुई है. ये सिर्फ सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन आएगा. ये सिंपल क्वेश्चन कैसे आएगा? जस्ट लेट मी शो इट ऑन माय कैमरा. वेट. ये सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन आएगा ऐसे कर